Hey everyone, welcome back to ForexCracked, where we simplify trading for you. Today we're diving into a powerful strategy that can give you an edge in the Forex market, trading Forex news for profit. We all know the Forex market can be volatile, especially during major news events. But instead of avoiding these times, what if you could use this volatility to your advantage? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that, step by step. First, let's break down what Forex news trading is all about. Essentially, it involves taking advantage of market movements that happen as a result of economic news releases. These could be anything from interest rate decisions, GDP reports, to employment figures. These events can cause significant price swings, and the trick is to predict the market reaction or react quickly enough to profit from these swings. Preparation is key. First, you need to know when the news is coming out. I recommend using an economic calendar. These tools are essential for any news trader. Websites like Forex Factory or Trading Economics offer free calendars with updates on all major economic events. Look for events that are marked as high impact. These are the ones most likely to move the market. For example, non-farm payrolls in the US or an interest rate decision by the ECB are events that can cause major volatility. Now let's talk strategy. There are a few different ways to trade the news. Here are two popular methods. First is the straddle trade. The idea here is to set up two pending orders, one above and one below the current price, before the news is released. When the news hits, the market can move sharply in one direction, triggering one of your orders and potentially riding the momentum for profit. But be careful. The market can whipsaw, triggering both orders and causing losses. That's why it's crucial to have stop losses in place. The second strategy is the post-news breakout trade. Instead of placing orders before the news, you wait for the initial spike and then trade in the direction of the breakout. This way, you avoid the whipsaw and catch the true market direction. This strategy requires patience and quick decision-making, but it can be highly effective. No matter how good your strategy is, risk management is crucial. Always use stop losses, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Forex news trading can be very profitable, but it's also risky. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. I recommend risking no more than 1 to 2% of your trading account on a single trade. This way, even if things go wrong, you'll still have plenty of capital to keep trading. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. Use a demo account to practice news trading strategies without risking real money. And don't be discouraged if your first few trades don't go as planned. It takes time to get the hang of it. Patience is key in trading. Wait for the right setups, stick to your strategy, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to trade Forex news for profit. It's all about preparation, strategy, and risk management. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own strategies, drop them in the comments below. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.